show you the idea here. It's real simple. I needed this 1.5 inches and my Lowe's was out of it. So I've got 2 inch. Everything else is 1.5 inches. So I've got to reduce this down to make things fit. So, got 1.5 inch bushing. Pop that in there, okay? And I've got an adapter. I'm gonna screw it in. This adapter's 1.5 inches, okay? So the idea here is each end of my frame, oops, that goes on my pipe. Each end of my frame, I'm gonna set up like this. It's best if I just show you, so enjoy. So check it out. This is a 2000 model Ranger R83 VS. It's just under 19 foot. So I bought a cover from Walmart, got it for sale for 59 bucks. I know it's a cheapo. I've had problems with those in the past where it rains, the rain puddles up, turns into ice, and the covers give way completely. It's like the ice breaks right through them. So I thought I would make some type of framing system. Everything I saw on YouTube was for john boats, but they gave me enough of an idea. I'll show you what I did here. The completed. This is one end. Just cut me some legs. I added me a T in the center for support, and then just ran it back here. Legs. It's simple. I don't have this glued up. I probably will glue it. I just wanted to make sure it fits kind of how I want. It's not perfect, but I think it's going to keep my cover lifted up enough to where the rain runs off, and maybe I won't have any problems with this one. So here it is. Got the cover put on top of that frame I built. Looks good. It's already been through a couple rainstorms and everything's ran off of it nicely. Just like that. I did strap it down. Cover came with straps, so I ran those. But pretty simple. There we go.